everyone, I'm Allie.
Hi, I'm Anna.
And we're going to do a little spotlight for you from Potomac Beads here on bead backing to go on the back of your bead embroidery. I have on one of Anna's lovely pieces here to show you kind of the options. She's got on some earrings, and we'll show you a little closer up what we are talking about.
Yeah, so this is the backing here. There's a couple different choices. We have UltraSuede, which is like a suede material, but it's faux suede, and it comes in a bunch of different colors to match whatever project you have.
So here's that pretty kind of cranberry color.
And this is it in action.
In action.
In action, yeah. So what you can see we did here is I have a bracelet here that we started beading on the beading foundation, the lacy stiff stuff. And then what you do is, once you're done with the project, you then add a backing to it so that you don't see all your stitches. And this is a little pendant I have with the UltraSuede on it, so you can see on a pendant, inside a cuff bracelet.
I have the blue back here on the one that I'm wearing.
Yeah, and what I really like about this on a bracelet too is it feels really nice too when you're wearing it.
Smooth, silky.
It's kind of got like that velvety feel to it. Yeah, so that's real nice. But yeah, so this is the UltraSuede. It cuts really easily. Cut it any size you want. And like I said, it comes in a whole bunch of different colors. I just grabbed a couple just to show. And then the other option you have, if you want something with a little bit of different texture, is this really cool faux leather.
I like the gold. I think you should back this one in gold.
Yeah, so this is the art leather, is what you're going to be looking for online. It is
also a faux leather.
Yeah,
so those of you that are concerned about animals.
Look, but so it's going to be a lot easier to use than like a real leather. It's not as thick.
It's going to be easier to cut.
And it's not actual leather.
But still really durable when you're on the back of
But could you really tell?
No.
Like, honestly, could you tell? I couldn't tell.
You can't tell. No, especially once it's on. Off of it, you can see the back of it.
I cover a couch in this and tell people I spent thousands of dollars on it.
There you go. So that's a little testimonial for those different backing materials.
And I grabbed this gold because that's just so cool.
It has a nice little shine and sparkle to it. And I know Teresa uses it.
You can get funky colors too that aren't actual like leather colors, like no.
So if you want to cover your couch in blue, go for it. And Teresa does
lots of different colors.
Yeah, Teresa does a lot of her backing too for her different embroidery, and also with that soutache you can use the backing as well. So if you're looking for a backing, and I know Bridget has a video that she has coming up using it even when it comes to doing some hair accessories too. So check out some of the other YouTube videos. If you need any of the UltraSuede or need any of that faux leather, check the links below to purchase from us online at Potomac Beads. You can ship from in the US at .com and in Europe from EU. And again, you can subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a little thumbs up. Comment below and tell us your favorite backing material, how you use it, how you cut it, what your favorite scissors are, pros and cons, and that way those people that are watching this review can get a better idea in the comment box. Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and happy beading and bead backing.